Start 80, 5 left of a crest. Good luck. Five, 4, 3, 2, 1, go. 80, 5 left short of a crest. 50, 4 right, opens, long. 80, 6 left of a crest, slowing. 80, turn square left around Bale. 50, slight left of a crest. 30, 6 right of a crest, tightens. 160, slight right. 190, small jump, slowing. 140, turn 3 left, don't cut. 30, 2 right short, don't cut, and turn 3 right into 5 right, and jump. Sudden 2 right, tightens, don't cut, and 1 left, half long, don't cut. 30, jump. 30, 2 right, long, tightens 1, don't cut. 50, 4 right crest, into 1 left short, don't cut. 30, jump. 60, turn late, 1 left. 40, slight left. 40, crest. 60, 5 left. 90, 5 left of a big jump. 40, 6 right. 80, slight right of a crest. 30, slight left of a big jump. 80, slight left and slight right of a crest. 180, 5 right short of a big jump. 100, 6 left, opens very long. 100, double caution. 6 right of a big jump, opens long. 5 right short of a jump and 3 left short. 90, right of the crest. 50, 2 right and 5 left, long, and 6 right. 100, big jump. 110, slowing crest and 3 right, tightens, turn square left, don't cut, and slight left. 50, 4 right of a jump. 40, slight left. 120, left of a big jump and 6 right, half long, tightens 4 of a jump. 40, 4 left short, don't cut. 170, right to the crest, and late 5 left, don't cut. 100, caution. 5 left of a big jump. 40, 6 right. 80, caution. 6 right of a big jump and slight right, long. 60, short. 4 left, 4 right. 70, turn square left, and 4 right. 50, 3 left, don't cut. 160, right of a big crest. 100, 5 right, open 6, 40, crest, and 3 left, long. 70, 6 right, half long, don't cut, and slight left of the crest. 80, big jump. 160, right of the crest. 70, 4 left, half long, and slight right of a big jump. 60, 5 right. 80, left of a big jump. 40, jump. 70, late 6 left of a crest, tightens, and 5 right, and 5 left. 60, slight right. 70, crest into late 3 right, over finish. 100 to stop. Okay, that's a 4 minute, 47.8.